If you're looking for the best project management software, you've probably come across ClickUp and Asana. But which one is actually better for managing projects? The answer isn't as simple as you'd think, because while both are powerful, they each have major strengths and some frustrating weaknesses. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you, and if neither is the best choice, I'll show you a better alternative you can try for free. First, let's talk about ease of use. Asana is known for its clean, intuitive interface. If you're a beginner or managing a smaller team, Asana makes it easy to jump in and start organizing tasks. ClickUp, on the other hand, is packed with features, but that can also make it feel overwhelming at first. There's a steep learning curve, and while the customization is incredible, it might be overkill if you just need a straightforward project management tool. Next thing, features and flexibility. ClickUp is basically the Swiss Army knife of project management. It has everything: task dependencies, mind maps, goal tracking, even built-in docs. But the downside? The sheer number of features can slow things down and make the interface cluttered. Asana keeps it simpler. It has powerful task management, automation, and timeline views, but if you want built-in docs or time tracking, you'll need third-party integrations. The third thing, collaboration. Both tools are great for team collaboration, but they approach it differently. Asana's comment threads and task updates are seamless, making communication super clear. ClickUp takes it further with assigned comments, chat, and even document collaboration inside the platform. But again, all these extras can feel overwhelming if you just need a simple tool to keep your team on track. The fourth thing, pricing. Both offer free plans, but they quickly become limited as your team grows. ClickUp's free plan is more generous, but the performance can be sluggish compared to Asana. Asana's premium plans are more expensive, but you get a polished, reliable experience. If budget matters, ClickUp gives you more features for less. But if speed and simplicity are priorities, Asana is the better choice. Last thing, performance and speed. ClickUp has had issues with lag, especially with large workspaces. Asana is more stable and feels faster, especially if you're working on multiple projects. If speed and reliability are your top priorities, Asana is less frustrating. But if you want deep customization and can tolerate occasional slowdowns, ClickUp is the winner. So, which one is better for managing projects? It depends on what you need. If you want a feature-packed tool with deep customization, ClickUp is a great option. If you prefer a clean, reliable, and easy-to-use experience, Asana is the way to go. But after trying all of them myself, I found an even better alternative that balances power, simplicity, and performance without the headaches. If you want the best project management software, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Give it a try and see if it's the right fit for you.